So the start of this relaxation routine that Rachel is demonstrating is a single knee to your chest. Don't force it, but try to bring your knee up towards your chest and hold it a bit, and then alternate between that and the other side. When you do that, go ahead and think about rounding your low back into the floor. Next up, double knee to chest. So the same thing. Bring both knees up. Again, don't force it. You may need to bring your knees out to the side a little bit, but when you do that, roll your hips under you. Think about rounding out your low back, bringing your tailbone up. Next up is the supported neck flexion. So you're not really doing a sit-up. You're just bringing your hands together underneath your neck, rolling it up, and trying to encourage this gentle spinal flexion. Supported knee extension is the next exercise. So here we're doing a little bit of hamstring stretching, but don't think about trying to straighten your legs as much as you can. Straighten your knees out and get a little bit of stretch in your hamstrings as you try to round everything else out. Quadruped flexion. You're on your hands and your knees. Think about arching up, taking the middle of your back up to the ceiling, and let your head hang down and relax freely. Next up, kneeling, hands on the head. When you kneel down in this position, get your elbows on the floor and your head relaxed down. You can also see you can use a pillow for your forehead. And seated forward bend. Again, we're not looking to straighten out your knees or stretch a whole lot. This position, just rest your chest on your knees, cross your hands over your ankles, and again breathe in and out and try to settle into the position as best you can. Here with the pancake with bent knees, again, you're not thinking about going into such a deep of a stretch that you're working too hard. Notice Rachel also has some pillows, some bolsters. What we want you to feel like here with everything else is that you're just settling into the position and relaxing as much as you can. So next up is the straddle stretch. So you're bring your feet about double shoulder width apart and clasp your elbows as you bend down. When you do this, you want to find that foot positioning so that you're not scraping the ground. So just a little bit above the ground. Again, let your head hang relaxed and let gravity stretch everything out. Next, we'll go into our A-frame. So A-frame, you want to lift your butt up into the air, make an A with your body. You can have your knees bent if it's more comfortable. Think about letting your upper back relax and your head relax as well. Last, we have this flat foot squat with a rounded back and your neck flexed again. Here, we've warmed everything up, and so this is the final motion to get your spine as rounded and relaxed as possible. You can see you can also use a stool or a small block if it's more comfortable for you to do that way.